Welcome back to the channel. Well, we're finally camping. Doing the camping and trekking. We've been doing lots of trekking. We're finally doing camping. It's been 3 years for me. When was the last time you went camping? 5 years?
Yeah, probably COVID.
5 years?
5 years.
It's nothing great. We're only 45 minutes north of K-Town at Baumholder's military campground, but it's quiet, to say the least. Here's the view. So we did a blow-up mattress. We walked over by the bathroom and plugged it in, and then walked it over here and put it in the tent. Shoved it in the tent. And then, so they have 16 amp, like European RV connections. And I just brought a 220 plug. Here's what we got. Easy enough. Apparently you can rent yurts here, and there's like 25 or so, 30 spots with a mix of no electricity and with electricity. And then they got like a little mobile toilet up the way. Not bad?
Not bad.
And then the plan is to go hike one of the castles here to the north. I forget which one. Look at all the windmills. All right, we're camping again, not just trekking. How's it going so far, baby?
Very good.
We got the brats on. Oh, yeah, cheese dog.
Rifle.
Yeah, and Abby
Nice
is hanging
weather.
out. Yeah, it's like a mix of wind and then not windy. And then Abby's comfy. Are you comfy, Abby? Okay. Welcome back to the channel. We are going up to Frauenburg, which is a castle up here by Baumholder. Should be an easy 500-meter hike. It's gorgeous. It's on the side of a cliff. And the whole gang's here. Here we go. Look how big these trees are. The Valley of Frauenburg. Very picturesque castle. Wouldn't you agree, Abby? Almost there. Alright, we made it to the Frauenburg Castle, and apparently it has a history of some kind of badass lady that killed some archbishops and seized some stuff, and that's why it's called the Frauenburg Castle. But it's beautiful. Let's see if we can get that. Yeah, very beautiful. The hike is gorgeous. The hiking around the area is gorgeous. That's what it looks like from my viewpoint right here. So apparently this castle has a history of Queen Loretta being in the area and doing some seizing and pillaging and plundering. And this was her favorite castle to live in, so that's why it's called the Frauenburg. Beautiful area, beautiful hiking, tons of hills. You do have to be careful. The Baumholder military training area is just off to the southeast. But other than that, the hiking area is gorgeous. There's giant trees, beautiful forests, all the wildflowers are blooming. Really nice hike. All right, baby, I think we're done. We did a night of camping. It was cold as hell. I think it got down to 30, 32. Fun camping. I like camping. We're back to camping again. And then we did some trekking to the Frauenburg Castle, which was picture. Everything is green and lush. There's water everywhere. I mean, it is beautiful. And then we're heading home. So, good memory. Camping again. Camping again. Okay. See you next time. Like and subscribe. Smash that like button.